Hi.
Hi.
Hello, everyone. My name is Martha. I am a relationship counselor and sexuality educator, a clinical sexologist based in Singapore. And I've been in practice for 10 years. And recently, there's this new brand that is making its way into Singapore. And so I'm very, very lucky, very, very fortunate to be able to interview the people behind it, the original people behind it. And so, yeah, introduce yourself and tell us more about your story behind your brand.
Hi.
Hi.
We're Alex and Alex Finkel. We're the founders of the brand Liberalex. Liberalex, it's an Israeli company. It's a brand of a premium brand in the field of intimate cosmetics, which is sort of a new developing trend in the world of beauty. So basically, most of our products are invented and created for intimate areas and for love, and basically for couples experiences. So the brand was invented by my wife. The line of products about 4 years ago. Actually, we started working on this as project. Our company was formed like 3.5 years ago. We have a line of 11 products overall, some of which are more common products that pretty much everybody knows, like lubricant gels like intimate washes, intimate deodorants. But other products are a bit more complex, a bit more interesting, a bit more novice. These are intimate oils and intimate perfumes. Basically, all the products are designed for use on women's intimate areas. So, and a couple of other products are basically for supporting, like, say, couples activity, like massage oils and stuff like this. Basically, all of our products are natural-based oils. There are some components which
without SLS, yes. Salt, parabens, mineral oils, and silicone.
So I'm very friendly for use, and basically we sort of. Just a second. So during, basically all products are. Yeah. So basically that's a short story about the brand. So what?
Yes, I want to know what made you start this. What is the story behind creating this brand, these products? You guys have been doing this for 4 years. There was a lot of research that went into it, but we like to know the story behind the story.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Почему, как ты это создала и, ну, история бренда.
Окей. אני אלכס, ואני בת 46, ויש לי 3 בנות, ואני כל החיים שלי הייתי בתחום הפיננסי, ובאיזשהו שלב החלטתי לפרוש מעבודה ולהגשים את החלום. למה? כי אנחנו מאוד מאוד משפחה מגובשת, ויש לנו חיי אהבה מאוד עשירים, ואז תמיד רציתי להוציא לאור מוצרים שכל אישה מאוד תורה, וזה יהיה מאוד לגיטימי ומאוד ברור, ושזה לא יהיה לא בית מרקחת ולא סקשופ, וזה יהיה משהו מאוד יפה ופאני, וכל הברנד הזה זה בעצם תשובה לכל מיני שאלות בכל התחום של אינטימיות וחושניות וכו' וכו'.
So I'm going to try to put it in English, what my wife just told me. So basically, she's a very experienced user of cosmetic products, personal care. She likes to invest in herself, to explore new things. And at the time, and she's for like 15 years, she was working in companies in personal care and cosmetics. But she was a CFO, so she's from financial standpoint. But she's always been drawn to personal care and to aesthetics, and she felt when we were looking for some stuff online that back like 4 or 5 years ago, that there were no products which were designed actually for women, that would be nice to hold, that would be presented in a way that is perfectly legitimate, because it's cosmetics and perfumery. It's not a sex product. It's not a drug. That's basically the whole concept is basically to So the products are built to fit women's psychology, to fit women's need to to take care of intimate areas, but to have this chance to do it when you don't have to hide it somewhere, like you're using lube, you can put it in some spot next to other cosmetic products. You can use perfume. It's just like regular perfume. It's in the same bottle. It's basically the same quality. It's just really high-end products, really suitable for use on on the most intimate part, the field which was a bit neglected back then. Since last 2.5 years, there are many companies which are actually entering this niche and offering more and more products for women. Companies which are founded by women, which are presenting the products from women's perspective. I mean, right now I'm doing the talking because Alex is less fluent in English, but overall, she's the one who thought about the product. She's the one who tried everything. She's the one who basically, she sort of transferred her own vision of how she would like to see those products and basically put it in a form which you see it right now. That's basically, the point how this line was built, because she just wanted to find something that she herself would feel very comfortable with, would feel that something would appeal to her. And she felt that it would, if you do it properly, many women would feel the same way about the products, because obviously there is need for such products, because our intimate parts are just like other parts of our body. So they require special care, they require special, attitude, and it's just more and more coming into our life and becomes more normal. It becomes more common to use, the products for intimate hygiene and stuff like this. So what Alex is saying is basically just like any other part of women's body, like neck, like eyes, like in buttocks, which requires special, products, because because everybody is special. Then the intimate areas, the feminine area, also requires special attention, and it's fun and it's also useful. So basically that's a very good combination that we thought would like to bring to the world.
Yeah, so thank you very much for introducing yourself and sharing the story behind your brand. I can tell that there was a lot of thought and passion that went into this line. And from what you're saying, Alex, is that you yourself wanted to create something that you would use because you are interested in the aesthetics. And there was a lack in the market, and so you created this series of products. So I just want to wrap up this video, and in the next video, we will be talking about these products because I'm very interested and curious, like 11, like really? So I like to find out more about each of them and what makes them different. So tune in to the next video while we share more about each of these products.